The global economic model is rapidly changing towards technical advancement and innovation. A country's economic performance, its social cohesion, and international recognition is now increasingly dependent on its human resource.
मेरा नाम अबैद रहमान है। 2015 में मैंने अमन टेक से मैकेनिकल मशीनिस्ट में डिप्लोमा किया। ऑन जॉब ट्रेनिंग के लिए मुझे उमर जिब्रान इंजीनियरिंग इंडस्ट्री भेजा गया। जो कुछ मैंने सीवीटी कोर्स में सीखा वो मैंने वहाँ अप्लाई किया। ऑन जॉब ट्रेनिंग के बाद उन्होंने मुझे एक जॉब ऑफर करी जिसे मैंने एक्सेप्ट किया। मुझे वहाँ जॉब करते हुए 1 साल हो चुका है और मुझे अपना फ्यूचर बहुत ब्राइट लगता है।
The launch of Pakistan's first technical and vocational education and training policy in 2015 has set the country's vision of providing highly skilled workforce for the future. It also acknowledges the importance of public-private partnership and the critical role of the private sector. The TVET Reform Support Program has supported the development of a pilot scheme, the Cooperative Vocational Training or CVT, in close collaboration with public and private stakeholders. Within this scheme, private enterprises, training institutes, and TVET authorities share the responsibility for planning and delivering technical and vocational training courses.
Cooperative vocational training, or CVT as we call it, it makes it possible for students to become part of the workforce through on-the-job training, where they learn the skills that are necessary to move forward. The latest technologies and trends help them become more effective part of the workforce. The other aspect of cooperative vocational training is that it helps institutions modify their curriculum in a way that keeps them relevant to the industry and helps them stay at the forefront of vocational and technical training.
Based on the German model of dual training, CVT combines vocational courses in training institutions with on-the-job training in private enterprises that are looking for a steady supply of skilled workforce. These partner enterprises also play a key role in strategy formulation, governance and management, standard setting, and the implementation of training programs in close coordination with institutions. A pilot scheme is being implemented in Karachi and Lahore jointly by the National Vocational and Technical Training Commission and the Technical Education and Vocational Training Authorities of Punjab and Sindh. The trades can be divided into technical and commercial trades, where 2-year training for technical and 1-year training for commercial trades is required. So far, 80 employers have partnered with 9 technical institutions, with over 600 trainees enrolled in the courses in Sindh and Punjab. The capacity building of over 250 teachers has also been undertaken successfully.
In Pakistan, the need is going to be skills development. Since Pakistan will be becoming a logistical hub as a result of CPEC and other initiatives, there will be a need to develop a skilled workforce. We foresee new trades, requirement for new trades coming into the market. Renewables is an example. Through cooperative vocational training, we'll be able to modify our vocational training to meet the needs of a changing Pakistan, of a growing Pakistan.
The competence for each skill is defined in curricula with the active input of participating enterprises. In addition to the technical competence, general subjects such as communication, computer literacy, English, and life skills are also included in the curriculum to develop the personalities of the graduates in line with the modern workforce. During the training period, a trainee is required to acquire skills at the educational institution and then spend at least 50% of the time getting on-job training at a partner enterprise. On successful completion of the training cycle, the trainee is assessed according to the national competency standards set by the National Vocational Qualifications Framework. On passing the assessment, the trainee is awarded a nationally recognized certificate. This method not only prepares the trainee for the practical life, but also increases the chances of getting a job at the same enterprise.
Cooperative vocational training benefits Autocom in a lot of different ways. We are involved from the initial stage, from the policy making to designing of curricula and towards selection of trainees. Once the trainees join us on on-the-job training, we give them adequate trainings on soft skills and technical skills, and the best trainees among them also gets hired at Autocom. In the end, it's a win-win situation for all the stakeholders.
The benefits of CVT demonstrate that investing in training is worthwhile for public and private stakeholders. A shared commitment in providing TVET courses sets a promising example for a paradigm shift in reforming Pakistan's technical and vocational education and training system.